1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. We're gonna come in with our mixer here, and we're gonna start mixing this all together. Yeah, peanut butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar. What more do you need? Then this next ingredient is optional, but I was feeling a little frisky today, so I wanted to get some mini chocolate chips in here.
Ooh, yeah, baby.
All right, and again, we mix, mix, mix. Just like this. Boom. This last step's optional too. If you want to take a lick, you can.
I want to lick.
You do?
Yeah.
Next, we're just gonna scoot this over, bring in our baking sheet, and I'm just gonna take a spoon, and I'm gonna get with my clean hands, and I'm just gonna roll these into little cookie balls, just like that.
Those look so good.
Oh, don't they? And look, from the peanut butter that was warmed up a little bit in the microwave, already starting to melt this chocolate here. Okay, just putting down my last cookie ball there. Now I'm gonna bring in a fork and we're gonna smash these down so you really get that old school peanut butter cookie feel to this. Look at that, just like that. Oh no, that's a big guy. That's the one I'm eating for sure.
Those look so tasty.
And we'll just go through and do these to all the cookies.
Oh, peanut butter and chocolate.
I know, need I say more? I mean,
Yum.
we're making these to go see a movie tonight.
They smell delicious.
What's your favorite kind of cookie? All right, just finished scoring our cookies here. Now I'm gonna come back in with just a little bit of sugar, and I'm literally just gonna sprinkle this all on top of these cookies. Just like that. That's it. Now we're gonna pop these in the oven at 350 for probably 10 to 12 minutes, so they get nice and golden brown, and then we're gonna dig in. Boom, look at that. Our 3 ingredient cookies are done.
Yum. Those look
how
so
look they
good.
Don't they look delicious?
Oh, the chocolate and the peanut butter looks amazing.
Yeah, let me grab one, look. I'm gonna grab it and pull it
Oh,
apart.
yeah, let's see.
Look at that.
I cannot wait to eat those.
Sheesh.
Oh my goodness, those look
I get the
so
first
good.
one.
All right, give it
You
a
ready?
try.
Here we
Yeah,
go.
let's see how it is.
Mmm,
Tasty, huh?
very tasty. That's a good cookie right there. All it's missing is a little milk. Let me know if you try this, you guys. 3 ingredients. How can you go wrong? You could probably throw this in the oven tonight. Try it out.